Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
So if you're planning a trip to Dubai, then go ahead and download the Visit Dubai app. The app itself is wonderful, includes loads of different details. So once you go into the app, you have an option to register and log in. I'm going to just continue as a guest now to show you some of the features within the app. So once you log in, you've got a range of things available. Along the top, sort of like with your social media apps, you've got some reels which you can click on. So with like the experience one, you can click through and have a look at the different events and experiences on offer at a glance. Similarly for food, you can go through that. And as you'll see from the top bar, there are quite a number of different options along the top. Further down, you can again filter by different things. So if I just swipe across, you can have a look at these articles at a glance. And let's say I'm interested in sampling new restaurants in Dubai. I can just go ahead and click on that tile. From there, I can check out the article, read more about each of the restaurants on offer. Further along, you can further filter things down for dining. So if I want some casual dining, I'm looking at Wave House, and you can check out our Atlantis video for further details about Wave House if that's something you're interested in for the kids. Going back onto the main screen there, you can see there's a number of different options available just on this homepage. If you want some more granularity and to be a bit more specific, go ahead onto the events tab. Now from here again, you can filter. So if you're someone who's interested in the arts and culture, for example, you can scroll through and see what's on offer. Similarly, if you're looking for experiences, you have those available to you on the tab. And let's go ahead and look at some of the top events. So you can scroll through these. Maybe something like the Karate Combat catches your eye. It's got details and breakdown in terms of not only the timings of the events, but also the ticket prices, a short description of the event, and also a map, which is helpful for finding the location. On the subject of maps, though, you have the Explore tab. Now, this is really useful. So if I just scroll through some of the options at the bottom, it'll move the map along to show me visually where these experiences are located. So you can work out how best to plan your journey. So if I'm visiting the Burj Khalifa, and it turns out I want to visit Aventura Parks, that's quite a distance away, not quite as close as some of the other attractions. And then Aquaventure World's back on the other half. So this can really help with planning out your itinerary so that you group up and cluster locations based on where they are to make the most of your time over in Dubai. And you can also click on the pins and it'll tell you more about each of the sites and what's available. Along the top, you also have the magnifying glass, so you can go ahead and search up for attractions there. So the Lost Chambers Aquarium, for example. And you can also check out our video on the channel about a number of the attractions in Dubai, including deep dives into Atlantis and the experiences on offer as we stayed over there in the Club Lounge suite. And similarly with the other articles and experiences, it gives you a breakdown of timings. It can give you the Trustpilot reviews at the top. So you can see this is rated quite favourably. And it's got some details about the event itself, as well as a map and the option to book now, which will cause you to either log in unless you're skipping through that. The final few things on the bottom, well, they've got an offers tab. So in terms of these featured offers, you can scroll through and see if there are any bargains up for grab. And same with the hotel deals, shopping deals, attraction deals, dining, and so on. And finally, on that back page, there's a few additional tools which might help out with you. So for example, the currency converter, if you're converting from, say, if you're traveling from the US, we were traveling from the UK. So you can see there quite a nice conversion for when you're, paying for things out and about. can also have a look at the public transport available in the region. The Palm monorail, we have videos showing that as well. That was quite a convenient way of going from stop to stop. And again, you get more functionality if you log into the app. So for example, that trips one, it'll give you a further breakdown. You can favourite things as well. So I hope that that's useful.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.